TapeMate, a revolutionary product engineered and built by Alloy LED to provide the safest, most reliable, and most secure connections in the industry. The patented TapeMate is the only terminal connector in the industry that is UL recognized. When used with Alloy LED tape lights, the TapeMate connectors are backed by a lifetime warranty. TapeMate has been awarded for its innovative design and top-notch performance. Avoid lighting failures and expensive callbacks with secure, tight connections. The high copper content provides exceptional corrosion resistance, so you don't have to worry about the connectors deteriorating over time. High amp limit enables longer runs on a single connector. Alloy LED manufactures a TapeMate connector for every LED tape light it offers. With its compact and versatile design, TapeMate provides a solution for every lighting project.